Meet the radxa Cubie A7Z, an ultra-compact SBC that packs serious power into a tiny footprint. Let's unbox it. 65 by 30 millimeters, ideal for builds where every millimeter counts. 2 USB-C ports, power and data on one, high speed with DisplayPort on the other. And of course, the 40-pin GPIO header. There's a PCIe 3.0 FPC connector. And yes, onboard wireless, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.x, built right in. Storage options, microSD out of the box, and some variants bring built-in UFS, fast, reliable, flash. Under the hood, the all-winner A733, octa-core, backed by an NPU for Edge AI. That's the radxa Cubie A7Z, compact, capable, ready for what's next. Subscribe for the full setup.